Kingdom Protista. Here are the learning outcomes. So protists are organisms that do not fit in fungi, plantae, or animalia. So they are mostly unicellular, and they are either photoautotroph, heterotrophs, or mixotrophs. Alright, so they reproduce asexually or sexually, and they move by pseudopodia, false legs, just like amoeba, or they have flagella, cilia, and they have no organs or tissues, and their nucleus can be either single or multiple. So protista are basically classified by groups, not by phylum, different from other kingdoms. Diplomonads have two equal size nucleus, from the name diplo, two equal size nucleus. Alright, multiple flagella, and their mitochondria are modified. A good example is Giardia intestinalis, which is a parasite. Most euglenozoans are parasites. A good example is Euglena, and also Trypanosoma. Trypanosoma is a type of parasite that causes African sleeping sickness. It has a spiral or crystalline rod inside of the flagella. So alveolates have an alveoli-like flattened vesicle that sits under the plasma membrane. So this alveoli stabilizes the cell surface or regulate water and also ion content. A good example would be paramecium. And another example is dinoflagellates and also plasmodium. Okay, Stramenopiles has a presence of fine-like hair-like projections on the flagella. In most cases, it's called a hairy flagella, and sometimes it is paired with a smooth flagella. A good example is diatoms. The next group in protists are rhizarians. They are amoeba-like organisms with thread-like pseudopodia. And some have multi-chambered porous shells, which have organic materials made up of calcium carbonate. So radiolarians have basically frames or tests that that are made of silica, and they have basically exopodia, a thread-like pseudopodia extending from the test. Amoebozoans are basically groups that are amoeba-like and have a lobe-shaped pseudopodia. A good example is amoeba, and some, such as Plasmodium slime, have spores that germinate, producing amoeboid or flagellated cells. Red algae have phycoerythrin that gives them their color red. And the last one, which is green algae, that has chlorophyll A and B, which gives them that green color. A good example is Chlamydomonas, Volvox, and also Spirogyra.